Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Visa card to GCash. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to open up our GCash account here. So go ahead and open up GCash. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to click on the option that says Cash In. So go ahead and click on Cash In. Now from here, you should be able to see the following options. So we have over the counter, online banks, and global partners and remittance. Now in this case, if you want to cash in with a card or Visa card, we first have to answer if it's actually possible. So currently with how GCash is set up, you won't be able to use your Visa card to cash in into GCash. But in this case, most of the time, if you have a Visa card, you also have a bank account. Now in this case, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and choose the option here that says online banks. And under online banks, what we need to do is we need to look for the bank that is connected on your account or in your Visa card. Now in this case, let's say, for example, you have a Visa card for BPI or Union Bank or BDO, go ahead and select that, and from there you'll be able to see instructions on how to cash in via that specific method. Now in this case, if you choose BDO, you need to go ahead and download the application that they have, which is the BDO personal banking or mobile banking that they have. Now from there, you need to select money and to another local bank, and from there choose GCash. Now from there, you need to provide your information. So it's actually important that you provide your account number here, which is your phone number as well. Now from here, you also need to enter a one-time PIN to proceed with the transaction. And from there, just confirm your details and you should be able to cash in via that specific bank. And that's about it. So currently, this is the only method that we can do right now to transfer money from our account into GCash. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.